First, we all use money like dollars to buy things. This is known as fiat money and is made by governments. Now, moving on to something different, cryptocurrency, it's digital money, like Bitcoin, is created by computers instead of governments. Next, let's understand how digital money is kept secure. Imagine a blockchain of super secure digital ledgers that record all transactions. It's like a giant digital book that everyone can see, but no one can change. So, how do we use it? Simple. You can send money directly to others using the peer to peer method, which means no need for a bank. Now, let's talk about security. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security, so only the right key can access the coins. You may be wondering how new coins are created. Miners use computers to solve puzzles and verify transactions. This creates new blocks in the blockchain, allowing them to earn new coins. This is why people love crypto. It's fast, global, and has low fees. It's digital, secure, and easy to use. Thanks for stopping by 8bar, and remember to trade safe. Goodbye.